In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get dark mode on Monday.com in just a few clicks. If you spend a lot of time managing projects, tracking tasks, or collaborating with your team on Monday.com, switching to dark mode can make a huge difference. It reduces eye strain, looks cleaner, and can even help you focus better during long work sessions. The best part is that it only takes a few seconds to enable. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process so you can turn it on right away. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Monday.com in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside your workspace, open any board. It doesn't matter which board you choose because the appearance settings apply to your entire account, not just one specific board. So just click into a board that you normally work from so you can clearly see the interface. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu with several account-related options. Inside that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Appearance. It's usually grouped with other personal settings. Click on Appearance to open the display settings for your account. As soon as you click Appearance, you'll see different theme options available. Here, you'll be able to switch between the default light theme and dark mode. To enable dark mode, simply click on Dark Mode. The change will apply instantly. You'll immediately notice that the background shifts to darker tones while text and elements adjust to lighter colors for better contrast. All of your boards, dashboards, and workspace views will now appear in dark mode. If for any reason you want to switch back, you can follow the exact same steps. Just click your profile picture again, go to Appearance, and choose the light theme. You can toggle between modes as often as you like, so feel free to use dark mode at night and light mode during the day if that works better for you. One important thing to keep in mind is that dark mode is tied to your personal user settings. That means enabling it will not change the appearance for your teammates. Each user can choose their own preferred theme without affecting anyone else on the account. If you're using multiple devices, like a laptop and a desktop, you may need to enable dark mode separately depending on your login session. So if you don't see it applied somewhere else, just repeat the same quick steps. And that's all there is to it. That's how you get dark mode on Monday.com quickly and easily. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in comfort and usability, especially if you work long hours inside the platform. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Monday.com and productivity software guides. I post simple, step-by-step tutorials designed to save you time and make your workflow smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.